Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back again to this tutorial and welcome back again to Max TV. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best Android applications you can be installing in your mobile phone so that you can be protecting or other applications, whether you can be protecting your phone calls, you can be protecting your WhatsApp message, you can be also protecting your social media accounts, you can be protecting your files so that no one can be able to enter in your files. So what you need to do, so first of all, if you did not subscribe to this channel, Max TV, subscribe today. Like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to be opening now this my you see I have my Play Store. I open it, as you can be opening it in your Android phone. Then after opening this Play Store, I'm going to search the application which is called App Lock. So this application is App Lock and it's very important and is very functioning, where it is going to be helping you protecting all your applications in your Android phone. So we're going to protect your photos so that no one can be entering your photos. We're going to protect everything you want to be also secure in your Android phone. So let me now click on also search or type App Locks in my Android phone, and you can see I have various results in my search also. As after I have various results, I have to choose which one I want to be using. As you can see, I have here, you see I have this one which is having 2 millions download. You can be using this one, so 100 million downloads. You can be using this one, so which means it has about 100 plus millions download, which means you can be using this one. You can get some features like, also you see you have password, you'll be having also some more partners, you'll be using a fingerprint, so you can be using a pin code to be using this application, or you can be using other features to be now using this application. So pin lock, you see you can use custom lock partner. You see now have various themes to be using this application. So for the first one, as you see now, when you go back, I see here now this is the one which is installed. I can be using this one which is installed, and you can be also now see how this application is rated. Now it is having about 1 million reviews and is rated to 3 plus. As you see now, I can be now, so this application is installed in my phone. So I'm going to click now open this application because it is already installed in my phone. Now if you have this is not installed in your phone, you have to click install first. Then you, after installing this application, you continue with these steps you're going to be going with. So after this, now I click open this application. As you can see, I opened this application, then I wait it to be opened. So if you see now, I have this application and it comes with the password. So they are telling me to set the partner that I'll be using to be opening other applications, which means the partner I'm going to be setting is the one which will be working as like key to open other applications which I would be now going to be open on my phone. So now this is having ads, but you can be closing these ads, and so you will not be having always the internet on your phone. You can be also canceling this also on your phone. So now let me set the partner like this, for example. So you see now they give you various options to be setting these partners, and after now putting the partner here, you have to put it twice because I have set already this partner. You see now I cannot be able to set partner again except if I have also uninstalled it. So they request you to put the emails that you'll be also using to recover the partner if you have forgot that partner. So as you can see, these are the applications I'm having in my phone, and I can be applying these options to any of the application or any of the Apple I have in my phone. So I have Apple, I have Play Store, and I can be applying this to it. So once I click there, you see they say that permission required. So what you need to they say that an Android 5.0 or above, you must permit usage access for App Lock so that you can use App Lock feature. So you see now, please permit draw over other apps to get advanced features. So now you have to permit all these features on your applications. You see now, the first one is enabled, and I want to enable the second one. which is allowing this application to be displaying over my apps, so or over the application that is going to be locking. And once I also I allow this feature, I'll be getting more features in this application. So now I come here and hit allow. So after hitting allow, as you can see, they bring me back to the applications. So once they bring me back to the applications, so I'm able now to lock an application I want. For example, you see this private notification is not locked. This Google Play Store is not locked. So I can click here, and once I click here, you see lock Play Store. So now you see this Chrome, I can lock it because see now it is not locked. I can also unlock it. So you see I have Drive, I have Photos, I have WhatsApp, and I can be locking it. So even a Bluetooth. So once I don't want, so I can lock a YouTube. So now let me go to my home page and show you now how I have locked this application. You see now I locked the Google Chrome, so I locked now Google Play Store. Now let me go back to home. Now show you now how these applications are locked. So after locking the Play Store, I can go back here into Play Store. Once I try to click there. Going there, you see now I get this notification which is saying that you have to insert password or partner before you continue. So what I have to do is to print that partner, then I go to the place I want to be going. So you can see now I have this option on the Google Chrome. So I have logged it. So when I click there, you see now that option come again, which means I cannot be able to continue to this application without putting the partner. I have also set when opening this application, I can put this partner, then I continue to the process. So once you want to be removing this also, you have to come here and open this app lock again. So now you put the partner you have set before. Once you put partner you have set before, you come to Play Store. If you want to unlock it, you come to Google Chrome if you want to be unlocking it, and you come to any other applications you want to be unlocking. And once you are done, also it is okay. It is going to be starting now working as normal. So now what did he ask you only is to be putting the email you'll be using, and to be putting this email will be helping you to be recovering the password now, or the partner you have set it in when you have also lost that pattern. So other things will be working well, and you can be using this application to secure or to be protecting other applications, or to be avoiding any person who can be from anywhere and try to enter in your Android application. What you need to have to do, so watch this tutorial from the start to the ends and be able to revise all the steps you have used. If you have any comment or suggestion, or leave it in our comment section. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you can get notified when you upload new video here at Max TV. Remember to subscribe